The CMEXPORT utility provides the user with a method to export segments, defaults, and other CheckMate items to a CMX file for the purpose of importing those elements into another solid part file. The CMEXPORT screen now has an option in the top left for segments. Its default state is to export only the checked CheckMate segments. Now, over on the right, you can see that I have 3 segments. If I only want to export the part program segment, then the other 2 segments should be unchecked. If we go back to the CMEXPORT screen and click that box again, we have the option to export all segments regardless whether they are checked or not. Thanks for watching and have a great day.